We finna go to a church, right? Pick up some more groceries. Yesterday we picked up a snack bag. It had bacon cheeseburgers, like 4 bags of chips, like 4, I think those was chocolate waffle donuts, you know, some sauce, some seasoning, a can of peppers. I had some more stuff, but I gave a few items away because I didn't eat those items at the place I got it from. So let's go to this place and see what they got to give away. Go see what these good folks talking about. Let's get to it. All right, y'all, we're about to walk up. Here's the place right here. This is a church. They have Sunday services online. I'll post their link in the description box in the comment section. Let's go see what they got to give away today. They normally do this Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You know. And it be kind of like a different experience each day. You know. I'm not going to have the camera on when I walk in because some people just don't like being on camera. I'm going to grab the sack if they let me. And we're going to do a review and see what's going on with it. What's all in here. Because like I tell y'all, you really can save some money, man. Those extra $40 that you would like, because some people ain't on food stamp. They have to buy stuff cash. But you might want you a bottle of liquor. You know, you can put that to the side, come to the food bank. You feel me? So let's see what's going on. Here go my boy right here, all red up here. All right, y'all, we done came out. As you can see, I have the snack bag. So let's go review it, man, to see what they put in there this Wednesday. Because it be different every Wednesday. You know, you might have some of the same canned goods here and there, but like they be like different chips, meat and stuff. So let's go check it out. All right, y'all, this is what they blessed us with. You got bread, sugar, rice, 2 cans of tuna. You got a couple chocolate candy bars, fig Newton. You got some tomato paste. And you got some pre-cooked chicken. Just a snack bag, man. Something for a day. I thank Black Jesus. Now, Dr. Umar Johnson, he give the black churches hell. Say they don't really be doing nothing. Well, I'm going to say this, man. Now, I agree they probably don't help you get a job or help you with housing. But for the most part, some will feed you, you know.